collinear points and non-collinear points. Aalamin natin ang kanilang pagkakaiba. Pag sinabing collinear points, these are points that lie on the same line. So, ipakita natin. For example, meron tayong tatlong points. Yan, point 1, point 2, at point 3. So these are collinear points because the points lie on the same line. So ang tatlong points ay nasa isang linya lang. Pag sinabi namang non-collinear points, these are points that does not lie on the same line. For example, meron tayong tatlong points. Point 1, point 2, at ang isang point ay nasa labas ng linya. So, yan yung tinatawag na non-collinear points.